Welcome back to Exploring Enchantments. We are at Universal Studios. We're here for Super Nintendo World early entry today. So early entry gets you an hour before the park opens, so you get a little bit of an advantage to get all the stuff done in the land. So we really recommend it because we did this in March, and then we're back to the Sky's birthday. Liam, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Ethan, you excited?
Yes! Yes!
You're next. Oreo. Yoshi. All done.
Thank you.
Use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't to dodge bullet bills.
It's Luigi.
Oh my god, there's something flying over here. Wow, I want to see a toast.
Ethan, what do you see?
Jenna!
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh! Can you believe that? Let's see how many. Here we go. Hey! Alright, let's. Oh, it's not. I wonder why it's not giving him anything.
We're at Toadstool's Cafe. We got a reservation for 9 a.m. So we're gonna be eating lunch at 9 this morning. But we did get a reservation, so. What are you getting, Ethan?
I got the kids spaghetti.
Look at that. What does it come with?
It comes with one of the garlic knots, and it comes with one of these cookies.
Ooh, is it lemon?
Yeah, maybe, but it's kind of a mystery.
Oh, it's a mystery. What'd you get, Ethan?
I got the kids meal, and
The kids' hamburger?
yeah, and
Look at Mario. He's on top. And you get to take him home and the little Polaroid.
yeah, and I got a mystery box.
Yeah.
Cool. What about you, Brandon?
I got the Luigi burger.
And what comes on it?
So it's a chicken sandwich. Comes with, there's green pepper on there, but the cheese. And it's like a pesto mayonnaise with lettuce, some pesto dip right here, and oh no, the Bowser ship is coming.
That fireball challenge was literally fire. It was very spicy.
I know, I tried it.
What did you think, Liam?
I almost cried because it was so. It almost tastes like there's 15 ghost peppers in there. I mean, it's so spicy.
It wasn't that spicy. It's kind of like just a spicy meatloaf or meatball. I didn't try this though. This looks like it'd be really spicy if you wanted to up it a little bit more, but Yeah, I think it's good. Just a little bit dry. That's my only complaint. Oh, Optimus Prime!
Greetings, humans. I am Optimus Prime. My Autobots and I are here searching for the Allspark, and we must find it before Megatron and his Decepticons. Fate rarely calls upon us at a moment of our choosing. But are you ready to join the Autobot army? You sound ready, but before we can begin, I'm gonna need some backup. Lieutenant Bumblebee, report in. Here he comes. Universal, make some noise for Lieutenant Bumblebee. It's good to see you, Bee. Don't forget this side. These humans sound ready.
Hey! What's your name?
What is your name?
That's Ethan. I'm Elizabeth.
Ethan.
Thank you.
A pleasure to meet you, Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Off the wall. Quite the move.
Yeah, he almost stepped on me.
Oh, do watch out, Bumblebee. We don't want to step on it.
I love the attitude already. What's your name? William? Whoa! Couldn't hear you there, Jack. All right, and your name? Nice to meet you, Billy. All right. Something for words, right? I know, you're in the presence of a celebrity. What? That's what I said, Ben. Let's go, all right?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the plumber on there?
Thank you.
It's
Yep.
fabulous! Let's go!
Looking good.
Okay, the center. Right here. Right here. To the left.
Clear the way.
All right, that's it. Celebrity coming through, celebrity status. It's called privilege. How's it look?
Snowflake, like the one on your sleeve. There happened a story you will seem to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Whoville celebration!
Ring the bells and roll and cheer. The grandest of moments is almost here. It's our Whoville This is Queen of Christmas for the Lord.
Welcome to the Whoville.
With Christmas
Food.
Decorations. Merely, who is the Grinch?
Oh, here we go.
Well, you see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch is a who. Well, he's not really a who, he's actually more of a what? Exactly.
You see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season.
Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be that his head wasn't screwed on quite right.
Mr. Grinch.
Christmas Day shall always be, just as long as we have a week. Welcome Christmas while we stand, heart to heart, hand in hand. As mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! Let's do it, baby! Come